out there. So yeah, it sounds awesome. It's wonderful they have a hobby like that.
And today would be a great day to be in your garage, you know, whatever hobby you want to do, because it is spitting some rain out there. And as you can see, atop the Plaza Tower, yeah, a few raindrops here and there, partly to mostly cloudy skies, but we did have a few breaks in the clouds earlier, but more rain is moving on into East Texas. So let's get into this. So Live Viper radar showing some showers over Rusk, Smith, and northern Cherokee County right now. Further off to the west, we do have more storms over Navarro County, which are moving in our direction. Eventually, they'll cross the Trinity River into Houston County, and we could see some pretty potent storms there. But where we're going to really see some storms develop, and have already seen some storms develop, is along the dry line out in West Texas. So we've got a disturbance aloft, and with the dry line out there, that is giving us the forcing necessary for these showers and thunderstorms to develop from San Angelo up to Abilene up to Altus, Oklahoma. Now, as we look at your temperatures, it is very warm here. We are in the upper 70s and lower 80s, and combine that with how high our dew points are, there you go. The forcing is too far out west for us to have widespread severe weather, but we certainly have the energy with those warm temperatures, and we also have the Gulf moisture given how high these dew points are, with those dew points being in the mid to upper 70s. Here is the latest run of one of our high-resolution models that we use. So through 5 o'clock, we're not dealing with too much, other than a few bubble-up showers and thunderstorms in our western counties, and then perhaps in deep East Texas as well. One area we will have to look out for these storms developing will be to our northwest. You can see from Kaufman County into Hunt County, that's where we could see some storms go up. And then by the time we get into Friday, we should begin to dry out a little bit. But Friday afternoon and Saturday afternoon, we will see another chance of showers and thunderstorms. So for today, we do have a slight chance of storms prior to 1 o'clock this morning, 72 degrees. And then as we look at tomorrow, we do get to 91, a slight chance of showers and storms. And again, it's tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening, because the dry line itself is going to push further off to the east, and that could be the trigger point for more storms to get into East Texas. So from now until 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, it's a slight risk. Quarter-sized hail, 60-mile-per-hour winds possible within these strongest storms. Same threats for tomorrow. Quarter-sized hail and 60-mile-per-hour winds in this slight risk region, and then possibly marginally severe thunderstorms from Houston County into Panola and Harrison County. And then as we look at Saturday, it does look like most of the storms will stay to our northwest, but it is possible that a couple of storms interact with our northern counties. Here are the next 7 days. Slight chance of storms Friday and Saturday. If those storms do make it into East Texas, they could become severe quite quickly. Sunday, we should remain dry. Highs will be in the lower 90s, 90 degrees Monday, 80s expected for Tuesday and Wednesday. Deep East Texas, y'all have a similar 7-day forecast. However, I do think the main threat of storms will stay to the north for both tomorrow and Saturday, and then another chance of storms Monday. Isaac.
Thank you, Carson. Up next on